Students, welcome you all. In this session, I am going to start your CET topic of straight lines. Clear? So good morning everyone. And already we have discussed our straight line chapter. So I think all of you remember the straight line concepts. So quickly here we can go on recalling all the concepts that we have studied in the straight line, and we can go on solving the problems as we once complete the revision of all the concepts that we have studied in the straight line. Clear? So here quickly recall all of you the definition of straight line. What is the definition of straight line? The curve on which if we join any two points, the line lies completely on the curve is called straight line. That means if you have any two curves like this, you choose any 2 points on the curve. And you try to join them. So here I will take 2 points on this curve. Say this is point A and this is point B. Now if I join these 2 points, you can see that the line segment AB will not lie on the curve because curve is here. Okay, so now the line segment AB is not on the curve. But when you take any 2 points on the second curve, and if you join these 2 points, now the line segment AB completely lines on the curve. See, it is completely lies on the curve. Therefore, here figure 2 is called straight line. And this is not straight line. Okay. So this is the definition of straight line that we have studied earlier in the straight line topic. So you just recall it so that it will be very useful in our straight line CET topics. Okay. So now with the quick revision of this particular definition of straight line, we can go for the slope of line. So what is the slope of line? Slope of line is an inclination. The slope of line is an inclination of the line made with x-axis. Okay, slope of line is an inclination made by line with x-axis. Is called straight line. The slope of line is an inclination made by line with x-axis is called slope. That is, you can write it as m equal to tan theta. Clear? So here you must remember that theta is in between 0 to 90 degree and theta must be not equal to 90 degree. Theta is in between 0 to 90 degree and theta must be not equal to 90 degree. Theta is not equal to 90 degree, and here theta can be in between 0 to 180 degree also, no problem. Clear? Theta is in between 0 to 180 degree and theta is not equal to 90 degree, because we all know that tan 90 is not defined. So that's why theta must be not equal to 90 degree and theta can be in between 0 to 180 degree. Theta can be in between 0 to 180 degree. Okay. So this is the definition of slope. So first thing, the definition of line you must know. Next, you must know the definition of slope, and for the condition, and the condition of the slope is theta must be from 0 to 180 degree, and here theta is not equal to 90 degree. So I feel all of you know this. So quickly reply me if you know the definition of straight line as well as if you know the slope definition. If you have understood the definition of slope, you can reply me with yes, and also you can tell me if you have understood the definition of line. You can tell me yes, no problem. So you have to reply so that I can understand that all of you are following my class. Okay. Now let us go for slope of the line joining 2 points. So here you can see 2 points are given. Here you can see 2 points are given, that is A and B. Here 2 points are given, that is A and B. Okay. So using this A and B, now we are going to write the slope, that all of you already know that. You just recall when 2 points are given, that is x1, y1 and x2, y2. x1, y1 and x2, y2 are given, then slope m will be equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay. So when 2 points are given, this is going to be your slope, and we have already solved some of the problems in our theory class, and you can understand this, that is the slope is given by 2 points, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So quickly you can tell me what is the slope if the points are 1, 2 and 3, 4. You tell me what is the slope if the points are 1, 2 and 3, 4. If the points are 1, 2 and 3, 4. That will be 4 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 1. So that is 2 divided by 2, that will be equal to 1. Okay. So therefore, if slope is 1, quickly can you tell me angle made by line with x-axis? Angle made by line with x-axis. So quickly can you tell me angle made by line with x-axis? That you can see here, tan theta equal to m. So therefore, if tan theta equal to 1, theta will be equal to 45 degree. Theta will be equal to 45 degree. That is angle made by line with x-axis. Angle made by line with x-axis. So very good. Most of you are giving the correct answers. So this is very good that most of you are replying. Very fine. Okay. So here angle is 45 degree as well as slope is 1. So that if the concept is very much clear, you can understand the CET concepts very beautifully. Once you know the theory, then CET concepts are going to be very interesting. So that's why you must know theory in depth. Okay, if you know the theory correctly, then CET things are going to be very interesting. So that's why try to understand your theory concepts first very much neatly. Okay. Okay, now let us come to intercept form of the line. So quickly tell me what is intercept form of the line. Here 2 points are given, A of a comma 0 and B of 0 comma B. So using these 2 points, we can write the equation of line in the form of intercept form, that is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. Okay, so here x by A plus y by B equal to 1, and from this you can say A is x-intercept, can say A is x-intercept and B is y-intercept. Clear? That is, Chaitan, that is slope intercept form. See, y equal to mx plus c is slope intercept form. This slope intercept form. Okay, but intercept form is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. This is intercept form. This is intercept form. Okay, so intercept form will be x by A plus y by B equal to 1, and slope intercept form will be y equal to mx plus c. Clear? Very good. So now quickly you say here, if x-intercept is, if x-intercept is 2 and y-intercept is 2, sorry, y-intercept is 3. Quickly tell me the equation of line. Quickly tell me the equation of line. Simplify it and tell me what will be the equation of line whenever x-intercept is 2 and y-intercept is 3. So I will see who will give the first answer. Whenever x-intercept is 2, y-intercept is 3, I will see who will give the answer first. Please solve it quickly and tell me. So that will be x by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 1. So now you have to solve it and you have to give the answer. That will be 3x plus 2y equal to 6. So 3x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Very good, Shivkumar, you got the right answer. That is 3x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Clear? Some of you are writing it as 3a 2b like that. It is not like that. 3x plus 2y minus 6 is correct, or you can write it as 3x plus 2y equal to 6. No problem. Very good. Some of you are getting the right answers. Very nice. So that means theoretical concepts are very much clear to everyone. So that's why you are giving so much correctly the right answers. And see, some of you are not attending the classes. Today there are only 50 members. That means it should be 100. In that 100, only 50 are present. Half of the class is not there. Okay, no problem. It's their choice. We can't tell much thing about it. We can tell that attend the class, but if we take online classes also, some of you are not attending, means it's not that much good, but I can't do anything for them. Let it be. Okay. So now let us go for the equation of the straight line in various forms. Equation of the straight line in various forms. Okay. First one, you can see the equation of x-axis. the equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Please remember it. The equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. And the second one, the equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. The equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Okay. And third one, you can see the equation of straight line. The equation of straight line parallel to y-axis. Equation of straight line parallel to y-axis is y equal to b. Y equal to b. And fourth one, the equation of straight line parallel to x-axis is x equal to b. Like this you can write, no problem. Or in the form of, if you want to take different symbols, you can write it as a. Clear? So these are the some of the equation of straight lines of x-axis, y-axis, and the line parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So now using this we can see the fifth one, the various forms of the line. That will be, the fifth one is slope intercept form. So you can see what is slope intercept form. Quickly tell me. Already I have discussed slope intercept form. That is y equal to mx plus c. Okay. So this is the slope intercept form. And now let us go for the sixth one. That is the equation of, see the sixth one, that is the equation of line which has slope as m and passes through the fixed point. The equation of line with slope m and the point x1 y1. So quickly you can see the equation will be y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So I think some of you remember this. That is the equation of line whenever having slope m and the point x1 y1. That is point slope form. We call it as point slope form. This is point slope form. That is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. So now for the seventh one, the equation of line passing through 2 points. Now you take, this is x1 y1 and you take x2 y2. You have to write the equation of line passing through 2 points. So the equation of line passing through 2 points will be y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay. So this is our what? Line passing through the 2 points. Equation of line passing through the 2 points. Line passing through 2 points. Okay. So now you understood the equation of line passing through 1 point and given slope, and seventh one you also understood what is the equation of line passing through 2 points And next one is, you can see, that is intercept form. Next one, 8th, that is intercept form, that will be x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Already we have studied this, no problem. And the 9th one, you can see normal form of the line. Normal form of the line. Normal form of line. So quickly tell me, all of you, what is normal form of line? So this is also called as 2-point form. No problem, Chaitan, you are correct. 2-point form. Okay. So 7th one is also called as 2-point form. No problem. And 9th one, you can see, that is normal form of the line. Quickly tell me, anyone, do you remember what is normal form of the line? Very interesting equation, that is normal form of the line. That is, quickly tell me, I will see who will answer it. X cos theta plus y sin theta equal to 1. Okay. So this is the normal form of the line. That is x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to 1. Clear? Okay. So these all are some of the form of lines. And 10th one also I will write, that is parametric form. Parametric form of the line. Parametric form of the line. So that is x minus x1 by cos theta, x minus x1 by cos theta equal to y minus y1 by sin theta, and this is equal to r. Okay, this is called parametric form of the line. So please remember, here parametric form of the line is a little bit different equation which we have not studied in the theory concept. So that is one extra concept that we are learning in your CET. Okay. So like this, sometime we have to learn some extra things when you come for the CET topics. So that's why you just go through it. That is parametric form of the line is x minus x1 by cos theta equal to y minus y1 by sin theta equal to r. So this is called parametric form of the line. So this 10 equations you have to remember every time. Whenever you say straight lines, these 10 equations must be in your mind, or these 10 equations must be on your fingertips. Clear? So how much you remember these things, that much it is very good. So that's why I am telling, please remember all these 10 different forms of straight line. 10 different forms of straight line. Okay. So based on this, I can ask you some questions. That is, so quickly go on answering some important questions. That is, first one is what is normal form? What is normal form of the line? What is normal form of the line? Quickly answer me. What is normal form of the line? Option A, x sin theta plus y cos theta equal to P. P minus x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to P. Option C is x cos theta minus y sin theta equal to P, and option D is none of this. What is the answer? Quickly tell me. One sample question I have asked for you. One sample question I have asked for you. Please give me the answer. Clear? Next, what is parametric form? What is parametric form of the line? Option A is x plus x1 by cos theta equal to x plus x1 by cos theta equal to y plus y1 by sin theta equal to r. Option B is x minus x1 by cos theta equal to y minus y1 by sin theta equal to r. And option C is both A and B. Both A and B. Option D is none of this. Some of you are giving the answers for both the problems, so be careful. For the first one, option D is the correct answer. For the first one, option D is the correct answer. That is none of this. Okay. And for the second question, x minus x1 by cos theta equal to y minus y1 by sin theta equal to r. That is the right answer. Okay. So why I am writing like this means, my dear students, what you have to do while preparing the CET concepts, you have to prepare like this. Now, you know that these 10 equations are very important. So using these 10 points, you yourself frame the questions like this. You yourself frame the questions and you ask your friends and tell to your friends to ask you, so that what happens, this will become perfect. So this is one of the best way to learn the CET problems or the CET concepts. Are you getting my point? So that's why what I tell, whenever you study some concept, after that you yourself frame some questions like this, then you start to go for solving the problems on your concepts what you have studied. So that what happens, you will be very much perfect, and with whom you are going to discuss this, those people also are going to be perfect. So that's why I tell, do this practice. It is very, very important. Quickly see, on the same way I will ask the third question also. What is the equation of line parallel to? What is the equation of line parallel to x-axis? Okay. Option A, x equal to 0. Option B, x equal to A. Option C, y equal to 0. Option D, y equal to A. What is the equation of line parallel to x-axis? So quickly tell me the answer for the third question, that is, what is the equation of line parallel to x-axis? Clear? So first you understand the question very neatly, then you go for solving it. Some of you are giving option C. Some of you are telling option C. Some of you are telling option D. So how you are going to get confused? See this. Some of you say option C. Some of you say option D. Some of you say option A. Okay. So see how many of you are giving the right answers and how many of you are giving wrong answers. Already you know the concept, but still some of you are getting confused. So that's why I say here patience is very, very important. what they are asking, the equation of line parallel to x-axis. They are asking equation of the line parallel to x-axis. Some of you are telling option C. So option C is not correct answer. Option C is the equation of x-axis. Please understand, option C is the equation of x-axis and option D is the equation of line parallel to x-axis. Equation of line parallel to x-axis. Option D is correct. Most of you are telling option C. Most of you are telling option C. First you read the question very patientfully. Okay. You have patience while solving the problem. What they are asking? Equation of line parallel to x-axis. Equation of line parallel to x-axis. So that's why, see here, option D is correct. That is y equal to A. Y equal to 0 is the equation of x-axis. They are asking if this is the x-axis, they are asking this line which is parallel to x-axis. So see here, this is the distance A from the x-axis. Are you getting my point? So that's why option D is the correct answer. Clear? So some of you have given it as option C, that is wrong answer. So please yourself rectify it and I think you can understand it, no problem. Now I will go for the general form of the equation of line. See, the general form of the equation of the equation of a straight line, Clear? So what happens here? You just see the general form of the equation of a straight line. What happens here in the general form? First we know that the general form of the equation of line is, we can write it as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Very good. Shivkumar, you are giving the right answer. That is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now you see here subpoints. If I take a equal to 0 and b equal to not 0. If I take a equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0, what happens? Your 0 into x plus b into y plus c equal to 0. So this term will be 0. b into y plus c will be equal to 0. Y will be equal to minus c by b. So now, can anyone tell me what is this? Can anyone tell me what is this? So quickly tell me, y equal to c minus b is what? What is that? Y equal to c minus b. What is this? So answer will be, so that is what I am asking, y equal to minus c by b. What is this? Answer is, this is the line. This is the line. Can you tell me? I have given half of the answer. Some of you are telling y-intercept. Some of you are telling equation of y-axis. My dear students, please see, if x by a, y by b equal to 1. If this is present, then we say b as your y-intercept, then a as x-intercept. Here a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. Here A is not equal to 0 and B is not equal to 0. In this situation, we say B is y-intercept. Are you getting my point? Now you got A equal to 0 and y equal to minus C by B. Very good. Rahul, you got the right answer. That is line parallel to x-axis. Very good. The answer is line parallel to x-axis. Not some of you are telling it as equation of y-axis. It is not the equation of y-axis. It is the line parallel to x-axis. It is the line parallel to x-axis. Very good. See the second point. If A is not equal to 0 and if B is equal to 0, what happens? You just see. It will be AX plus 0 plus C will be equal to 0. That is AX equal to minus CB. X will be equal to minus C by A. Now, what is X equal to? What is X equal to minus C by A? What is this? What is this? This is line parallel to y-axis. This is line parallel to y-axis. Are you getting my point? So like this, you must understand the concepts. Like this, you must understand the concepts. Once you understand the concepts, then these things are going to be very easy. Okay. So now you can see that okay. Now see the third point. That is, if A is not equal to 0 and if B, see the third point, that is A is not equal to 0 and B is not equal to 0. What happens? AX plus BY plus C will be equal to 0. Now BY will be equal to minus C minus AX. Now I can write y equal to minus C by B minus A by B into X. So that is nothing but y equal to minus A by B into X minus C by B. So this is the equation. Now tell me what is minus A by B and what is minus C by B. Minus A by B is slope M and minus C by B is y-intercept. Minus A by B is slope M and minus C by B is y-intercept. Have you got my point? Clear? Okay. So now on the same way you can see the fourth one, that is if A is not equal to 0 and B is not equal to 0, what we are going to write? See here, AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. This can be written as AX divided by minus C plus BY divided by minus C equal to minus C divided by minus C. So that will be X divided by minus C by A plus Y divided by minus C by B equal to 1. Now you can tell x-intercept is minus c by a, and y-intercept is minus c by b. Previously, some of you were telling that y equal to minus c by b is y-intercept. So here you can see, here y-intercept is minus c by b. But my dear students, please remember one very important point. This is called as y-intercept if and only if a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. Clear? So I think you have understood the concept. Now we can go for one more equation. Now we can go for one more very important equation, and that we have not studied it in theory classes. That is equation given by a divided by root of a square plus b square into x plus b divided by root of a square plus b square into y equal to, or you can write here only plus c divided by root of a square plus b square equal to 0. Clear? So this is nothing but, now you can compare it with one of the equation that is very important equation, that is normal form, that is x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to minus c by root of a square plus b square. Now we can write it as minus cos theta x plus or minus y sin theta equal to c divided by So I have already given the answer. Sorry, I was going to ask one question. I have written the answer. Okay, let it be. Now I will not ask that question because directly I have written the answer. I wanted to ask you one question, but no problem. Let it be. See here, we can compare it with x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to p. Clear? So here cos theta will be equal to minus a by root of a square plus b square, and sin theta will be equal to minus b by root of a square plus b square. So let us see it whenever we come through the problems. So whenever we come through the problems, I will solve it and I will tell you. Now if I explain it, you are going to get confused. No problem. Let us not get confused. Okay. So you just compare this. No problem. And you take this as equation 6. And you take this as equation 6. Clear? So when we come through the problems of normal equation of line, if I need the solving of cos theta formula and sin theta formula, there I will explain you about that. Don't worry, don't get confused. So now quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood this 6 forms of general form of the line? So quickly tell me, all of you, are you following the classes? Quickly, if you tell, we can go for one of the problem. So very interesting problem. So quickly tell me. Okay. All of you are replying with yes. Very good. Okay. Now you see one of the problem. Very interesting problem. if you have understood the straight line concept, you are really going to enjoy this problem. See how interestingly they have given very, very good problem, that is the ratio in which the line segment, joining 2, 3 and 4, 1 is divided by the line joining 1, 2 and 4, 3 is. So that means there are two lines which are intersecting each other, and they are asking the ratio in which they are intersecting. So first you understand the problem. See, there are two lines. One is joining from 2, 3 to 4, 1, and another line is from 1, 2 to 4, 3. So this is the intersection point. Let us take it as lambda. Okay, now what they are asking, the ratio in which these two lines are intersecting, they are asking. That means you have to find the ratio in which this lambda is dividing this particular lines. Okay, so the ratio in which the line segment joining the point 2, 3 and 4, 1 is divided by 1, 2 and 4, 3. See, the ratio in which line segment joining these points is divided by 1, 2 and 4, 3. 1, 2 and 4, 3. Clear? Okay. So now we have to find the ratio in which this lambda divides this 2, 3 and 4, 1. 2, 3 and 4, 1. Okay. So for that, first we have to find this lambda term. First we have to find this lambda value. Then we can see that this lambda is present on both the lines. So using that, you can find the ratio in which they are dividing. Okay. So let us find it. No problem. Let us find it. Clear? So see here. First let us take the ratio. Let the ratio be lambda is to 1. Let the ratio be lambda is to 1. Clear? Let the ratio be lambda is to 1. Okay. So next you can see here the section point. You have to use the section formula. That is lambda into 4, and you can see if lambda is to 1 is the ratio. You can see if the lambda is to 1 is the ratio. Now I will write this lambda as lambda is to 1. So now you can write it as lambda is to 1. Okay. So first let us find this intersection point. After getting the intersection point, we can solve it. So Shivkumar is telling that, sir, question is not understood. Okay, first you understand the problem very carefully. See what is the question. First you understand the problem. That is the ratio in which the line segment joining 2, 3 and 4, 1 is divided by the line joining 1, 2 and 4, 3. So that means there are two lines. What they are asking? They are asking the ratio of the line. They are asking the ratio of this line where it is getting divided by the line joining 2 points, where it is getting divided by line joining 2 points 1, 2 and 4, 3. 1, 2 and 4, 3. Okay. So now from this you take this is lambda and this is 1. So now we have to find lambda value. Now we have to find lambda value. Okay. So say this, how to find. That is the value, the section point. This point they are telling. This is section point. The section point is, to just see, section point will be, section point is equal to, use section formula, that is lambda into 4 is 4 lambda plus 1 into 3 is okay, lambda into 4 is 4 lambda and 1 into 2 is 2 divided by lambda plus 1 comma, again you can see lambda into, so lambda into 4 is 4 lambda and 1 into 2 is 2. Next you can see this will be lambda into 3 plus lambda divided by lambda plus 1. So the equation of line joining 1, 2 and 4, 3 you have to find. Okay. So from this you can understand 4 lambda plus 2 divided by lambda plus 1, that will be equal to lambda plus 3, that is lambda into 1 is lambda and 1 plus 3 is 3 divided by lambda plus 1. So I think everyone knows the section formula, that is if the ratio is A is to B, if the ratio is A is to B and the point is x1 y1 and x2 y2, what is the formula? That will be A into x2 plus B into x1 divided by A plus B. On the same way, A into y2 plus B into y1 divided by A plus B. So use this section formula so that you can understand here. Here A is lambda, B is 1, x1 y1 is 2, 3, x1 y1 is 2, 3, x2 y2 is 4, 1. x2 y2 is 4, 1. So using that you can see A value. So that is lambda into x2, that is 4, plus 1 into x1, that is 2. So 4 lambda plus 2 divided by lambda plus 1 comma, on the same way you can see lambda into y2. What is lambda into y2? Lambda into y2 is 1 plus 1 into 3 is 3. So therefore 4 lambda plus 2 divided by lambda plus 1, lambda plus 3 divided by lambda plus 1. So quickly tell me everyone who have understood this and who have not understood this. Who have not understood section point? So if you tell me quickly, I will reply and tell you how I am finding section formula. So using section formula you have to find. If you have not understood, no problem, you again see here. First quickly tell me who have not understood. Okay, see here there are two lines. Take L1 and L2. L1 and L2 are the two lines. Here what is happening with L1 and L2? Quickly see here, L1 and L2 are the two lines. L1 and L2 are the two lines. L1 is joining 2, 3 and 4, 1. L1 is joining 2, 3 and 4, 1. L2 is joining 1 comma 2 and 4 comma 3. L2 is joining 1 comma 2 and 4 comma 3. L1 is joining 2 comma 3, 4 comma 1. Now both are intersecting each other. Now both are intersecting each other at some point P. Now they are asking the ratio of L1. The ratio of L1 in which the line L2 is dividing. This ratio they are asking. Okay. So now to find this ratio, let us take it as lambda is to 1. Let the ratio be lambda is to 1. Now we have to find section point, that is P, using section formula. If x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the 2 points, what will be the section formula? If A is to B is the ratio, A into x2 plus B into x1 divided by A plus B, comma, A into y2 plus B into y1 divided by A plus B. Okay, so this is your section formula. So we have to consider this lambda as ratio. If I consider lambda as ratio, how can you write lambda? You can write it as lambda by 1. So that's why we take it as lambda is to 1. That's all. Clear? So now use this formula. If I use this formula, see here, A is to B is nothing but lambda is to 1. A is to B is nothing but lambda is to 1. X1, Y1 is 2, 3 and X2, Y2 is 4, 1. So use this formula, that will be this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Therefore, A into x2, A value is lambda, lambda into x2 is 4 plus B is 1, 1 into, you can just see x2, sorry, 1 into x1, 1 into x1 is what? 2. So 1 into 2 divided by lambda plus 1, comma, again lambda into y2, that is 1, plus 1 into y1, that is 3, divided by lambda plus 1. Have you understood this section point? At least now have you understood this section point? So that first I have solved it directly. Now I am explaining each and everything. Okay, so I think now you can understand this. So quickly reply me, have you understood about the section formula? If you have understood the section formula, now we can go for the next step. So what is the equation of line passing through 2 points? Already you know that the equation of line passing through the 2 points is okay. Now you understand the equation of line passing through 2 points. The equation of line passing through 2 points. What is the equation of line passing through 2 points? Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is the equation of line passing through 2 points. Okay, so here we have to consider this. This is the consideration. Okay, there is logic that you have to consider it. That's all. There is no how to now we are solving lambda value. Shivkumar is telling how lambda by 1. We have to consider that ratio first. Next we have to find the lambda value. That is assumption. Okay, very good. Now you take this line, that is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now take your second line, take your L2. because L1 is over. Now take your L2, y minus y1. You can take this as x1 y1 and you take this as x2 y2. You can take this as x2 y2. So y minus y1 is 2 equal to y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 2, divided by x2 minus x1, that is 4 minus 1. One more thing is x minus x1. x1 is 1. So this will be y minus 2. This is 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3 into x minus 1. So take cross multiplication. This will be 3y minus 6 equal to x minus 1. 3y minus 6 equal to x minus 1. So that will be x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. See this, x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0 will be your equation of line 2. Equation of line 2. Clear? So now using this equation of line 2, you have to find the lambda value. You have to find the lambda value. So now I am going to solve it and I will finish this class. Okay. So now use the equation of line 2. What is the equation of line 2? That is 3x minus, sorry, x minus 3y, not 3x, x minus 3y plus 5. X minus 3y x minus 3y plus 5 will be equal to 0. Okay. So now you see here, what is x value? This is your x value. What is y value? Lambda plus 3 divided by lambda plus 1. Put x value. That is 4 lambda plus 2 divided by lambda plus 1. This is x minus 3 times of, what is your y? Your y is lambda plus 3 divided by lambda plus 1 plus 5 equal to 0. So now you have to simplify this. That will be 4 lambda plus 2 minus 3 lambda minus 9 plus 5 lambda plus 5 equal to 0. So here these solutions you must understand directly. Okay. So because I can't explain everything, so here I have to take LCM and I have to simplify. So I have written directly 4 lambda minus 3 lambda. This will be lambda. Lambda plus 5 lambda. That will be 6 lambda. Therefore 6 lambda plus 2 minus 9. That will be minus 7. Plus 2 minus 9 will be minus 7 plus 5. Plus 5 will be minus 2 equal to 0. So 6 lambda equal to 2 and lambda will be equal to 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. That is 1 by 3. Have you understood this? So lambda is equal to 1 by 3. So we all know that lambda by 1 is our ratio. So therefore 1 by 3 means it is nothing but 1:3. So our answer will be option B. So 1:3 is our answer. Clear? So now you got our answer, that is option B. Therefore option B is the correct answer. Clear? So my dear students, here if you are very much quick with the concepts, if here you are very much quick with the knowledge of straight line and how much you are going to be fast in solving and understanding the concepts, that will make you more successful. That will make you more successful So that's why I'm telling please practice more. That's why I'm telling please practice more and understand the concepts very clearly. Understand the concepts very clearly, then you can enjoy the CET problems. So how beautifully they have framed the question so that we can enjoy these problems. Therefore lambda is equal to 1:3. Okay, that is ratio 1:3. Okay, so let us continue it tomorrow. Let us continue it tomorrow, and we shall go with the another problems. We shall go with the another problems. So I think all of you are understanding the problems, and all of you are following and understanding the concepts. If you have any doubts, you can ask, no problem. So let us meet in the tomorrow's session. Let us meet in the tomorrow's session.